Hey everyone, this is Liz Mix Vlog, another day, another vlog, and welcome to Midsoy Outlet Park. Enjoy everyone, thank you so much. Hello guys, ayan, dito tayo ngayon guys sa Midsoy Outlet Park. Ayan, dito ang lugar na dito guys is nasa Linco, part ng New Taipei. I think this is New Taipei, Taiwan. Yeah, and yeah, napaka-elegant ng place na to guys. As you can see here, mga branded yung mga store dito. All the expensive brands you can see here. Ayan, at meron sila dito sa entrance na magandang tanawin. Ayan, meron sila mga decoration. So, this is just part of our exploration here in Taiwan. Ayan. I hope you enjoy guys this beautiful flower. Ayan. Since it's our day off, so ayan, explore ng kaunti sa Taiwan. Since minsan lang tayo lumalabas, ayan, naman tayo, mag-refresh at maggala-gala ng konti without spending lots of money. Ayan. Ayan, magiging wais tayong mga OFW. Ayan. Enjoy the view, guys. Enjoy the decorations here. Because, yeah, me, I really enjoy here. It really looks elegant. And, yeah, and, ayan, guys. Makikita nyo yung mga brand dito is popular and expensive. Yeah. So, maraming namamasyal dito guys, but for today, kung medyo konti lang ang tao kasi it's not Sunday. So, may holiday, may day off is working days. So, Sunday ang marami dito guys kasi lahat halos sa mga factory and caretaker here sa Taiwan is nagdi-day off sila. So, since it's Wednesday, yeah, konti lang ang tao. So, it's okay as long as we experience here a very nice place. Yeah, and I really enjoy. I hope you enjoy guys. This is just a short video just to show to you what's in here, where I go during my free time. So, thank you guys. Thank you for the love and support to Liz Mix Vlog. I love you all guys. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.